Hi friends, today we are going to make my favorite yummy soft rasgullas. Take 1 liter of milk and bring it to a boil. Take 1 cup of water, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and mix it well. Once the milk starts boiling, turn off the gas and pour the water and vinegar little and keep stirring, and then you can pour the remaining vinegar and water. Take a vessel and a strainer, and you can use any clean cloth or a cotton cloth or a muslin cloth. Above that, pour the contents on the cloth to remove the excess water. Take 3 to 4 cups of water and wash the chenna with the water to remove the sourness of the vinegar. Once it is washed, you need to tie the cloth tightly to a tap or anywhere to remove the excess water. The water will drip on its own in an hour. After an hour, your chenna will look like this. For 4 to 5 minutes, you need to knead the chenna well. Keep on rubbing it, keep on pressing it in such a way that it becomes soft and smooth. Start making small balls which should be smooth and make it very light. There should not be any cracks. You can make about 12 to 14 balls from 1 liter of milk. Once the balls are ready, take 1 cup of sugar, take 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil on high flame. You can add 3 to 4 elaichi or elaichi powder depending on taste. Once the sugar syrup starts boiling, you can put the balls and cover the lid and cook on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid, stir them and cook on medium flame for another 5 minutes. And then you need to cook them without the lid for 8 minutes. After that, let it cool down. You can refrigerate it for 1 or 2 hours and your yummy rasgullas are just ready to eat. So happy eating!